So this is what it looks like. It is 3 liters and it is a pressure cooker. So we are going to cook our food. There is a maximum level up to there. We are going to put our chicken. I marinated the chicken. I used everything and anything. You know how you, okay, there's a bit of cayenne, there's cayenne pepper, there's coriander, there's a bit of lemon, garlic I chopped, you can smell it, yes. Mixed spices, a bit of, inaitwa Worcestershire sauce, and a bit of soy sauce. So that is what gave it a bit of the dark color. So I marinated it last night. The chicken was delivered yesterday. So it was cut into small pieces so that it can fit into the marinator. Okay, the chicken was big, so I didn't put all of it here, but this feels like 1.5 kilos. So that is the chicken. Now once you do the mixture of the marinade, all you do is pour it on top and just seal it, shake and turn, and you will be happy with the results. I might not use all of it in this. I did potatoes and courgette. Now I have done it into big chunks. So what we are gonna do, we are gonna put a little bit. So this is 110. So if I have put 2, that means it's about 220 mils of water. So now I am going to give it a thorough mix. All right. So then we seal it. Close it. Now the maximum is half an hour. We are gonna do 25 minutes. We will leave it out for 10 minutes, cool down. But as it cools down, we are gonna be doing our ugali. I believe we should be ready now to serve. We shall open.
And there's no oil using?
No.